Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students of class 8 A and B. Hope you all are fine. This is your teacher Habiba, and today in this video we are going to start our new chapter number 8, tools used in Photoshop, right? So in today's video we are going to discuss about that how many new tools we can use in Photoshop to enhance our picture. Today's topic is from page number 142 to 148. I hope you all are having your books in front of you. The chapter starts with the retouching tools. Retouching tools help to change or edit the pixel arrangements in an image, right? So if there are some pixels which are lighter or more darker, which do not suits with our image at that point, so those can be changed by using the following tools like spot healing brush tool, clone stamp tool, pattern stamp tool, eraser tool, blur tool, smudge tool, dodge tool, and burn tool. So these are the 9 different tools which are used to enhance or to give the finishing touches to our images. Let's go through them. Stop peeling brush tool, it can remove blemishes, scars, spots, and other imperfections in our photograph, right? And healing brush tool, it is used to paint with sampled pixels from an image. The sample is called the source and the flawed area is called the destination. It means that it takes the sample from our own skin in that picture and covers over the flawed area, this flawed area, and the sample which has been taken of the pixels, it is from our own face or body. Next is clone stamp tool. It can clone or duplicate selected areas of an image, right? Cloning, we know how to cloning means to duplicate. So to duplicate the selected areas of an image, clone stamp works. Then pattern stamp, same is like that. It is used to clone from a predefined area. It also needs some sample from our own body, and then it will clone it or make pattern again and again, right? Next is the eraser tool. It can erase the portions of an image. There are 3 modes of eraser tool. Eraser tool which can erase only the required shade from the front layer. The background eraser tool will erase the background sheet also, which will erase the background till the grid is shown on the image. And magic eraser tool, it works for erasing the pixels from similarly colored areas, right? It will erase the same colored pixels from the adjacent areas. Next is blur tool. It can blur or soften an image. The more sharp image is, it can make it more blurred. We can use it to make the image blur. Then comes smudge tool. It can create an effect like wet paint smudged with a finger. It can make darker portions of an image lighter. The dodge tool can make darker portions of an image lighter, and it is used to darken the pixels in an image. Burn tools will darken the pixels, and dodge tool will make lighter them. Okay, let's see what we can do in our Photoshop screen. Let's have something open in front of us like this face. There are a lot of pigmentation on this face. You can make it more clear. Like this. Okay, so face can be changed in a proportion like this. First we will start with spot healing brush tool. The spot healing brush tool will remove blemishes and scars. If you want to move these scars, so we can use the spot healing brush tool. Where is the spot healing brush tool? It is having a white patch with the healing. Yes, it is. Adjust the size of the brush and then start doing. Okay, and here just click and the spots are gone, right? And now like using like healing brush tool will do in the same manner. Healing brush tool, for this we have to take a patch of this color or this area, and then we will, for taking the patch we will use Alt, then click once, and now we can apply this. Now I have taken this part and I am applying over here. Okay, done. So the forehead is clear now. A bit of small spots are here. Next is in front of us clone stamp tool. क्लोन स्टैम्प टूल, ये है क्लोन स्टैम्प टूल. उसके लिए भी क्लोनिंग हमें करनी है, तो हम वी विल टेक द सैम्पल फर्स्ट, और सैम्पल लेने के लिए वी विल क्लिक हेयर और हेयर क्लिक करना इसके साथ अगेन ये, और नाउ वी कैन जस्ट पुट इट हेयर. वो डार्कर होती जाएगी क्योंकि डार्क मैंने लिया तो वो डार्क टोन से क्लोनिंग होती जाएगी. बट दीज कार्ड्स आर मूव्ड, राइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज eraser tool. Eraser tool will do, what is the eraser tool? Eraser tool is here. If we click on this eraser tool, the three modes are open. Eraser tool will erase. First we have to set the brush. In brush mode we can also use the pencil or the block. Okay, then opacity if we keep it 50%, that it will rub only half of it. We can increase and decrease the opacity also. Then flow and erase to history, right? So eraser 50% will do here, right? Undo कर देते हैं because eraser work is very bad. If we use background eraser tool, so background eraser tool will click, see, it will remove the background also. And next is same pixels को remove करना. To erase the same pixels, magic eraser tool same pixels को erase कर देगा, तो हम ये eyebrows की remove कर देते हैं. So these same pixels are gone. इसको रहने दें, eye भी जा सकती है सिर्फ, ठीक है. Only the eye can also move from here. इसको ही रहने दें, right. And next is blur tool. What will the blur tool do? Blur tool is just, उसका icon है is just like a drop will be here behind smudge tool. Blur tool will blur things down. The sharpness can be removed with the blur tool. इसको मैंने blur कर दिया क्योंकि इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा इरेजर यूज़ किया था. so it has made it blur. बेचारी की आँख ख़राब कर दी. Next is smudge tool. Smudge tool करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Behind this blur tool, now it is smudge tool. Smudge tool is the wet paint moved like with its own finger, with a finger. तो इसके ब्रश को हम लोग smudge कर देते हैं. Smudge tool. ठीक है, smudge tool कर दिया. And next is dodge tool. स्मज ऐसे भी, ये भी नज़र आएगा आपको, ये जैसे पानी लगा दिया ऊपर. डॉज टूल इज़ टू मेक इट डार्कर. डॉज टूल इसको डार्क करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. सॉरी, डॉज टूल इज़ यूज टू मेक देम लाइटर. सो लाइटर करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? टू लाइटर द पिक्सल्स, ये है. ठीक है जी, ये ऑल पिक्सल्स आर लाइटेंड हियर. खासी गोल हो गई. And next is burn tool. Burn tool will make, behind the dodge tool is the burn tool. Yeah, it will make the pixel darker. ठीक है, ये darken हो रही है. हम चेंज ही कर लेते हैं इससे पहले कि ये Halloween बन जाए. No. So these were the options that how can we make a face enhanced, or how can we give retouching tools to our picture in our Photoshop. Thanks for